Good morning, students. My name is Renu Yadav, and today I will teach you Science, Class 3rd, Chapter 7, Part 1, Solids, Liquids, and Gases. Children, before moving to the topic, first of all, understand a term which is matter. Now, one question arises here. What is matter? Okay. Children, anything that has weight and occupies space is called matter. Anything that has weight and occupies space is called matter. So, what is matter? Anything and everything that has weight. The first thing is weight. That has weight and occupies space is called matter. In simple terms, anything and everything that you see around is matter. Children, you might be sitting in your room and there you could see your bed, your sofa, your television, your dressing table, whatever. There are numerous of objects in your room and all those objects are matter. Okay? Anything that you can see, you can feel, you can touch, you can smell is matter. Like, what is this? It's a stone. This stone has weight, yes, and it is occupying space as well. For example, if I am keeping this stone here on the board, so how much space this stone is taking? It is taking this much space. So this stone is taking space and it has weight as well. So is it a matter? Yes. Plastic. Plastic is also a matter. Honey. We all like honey, right? Honey also is a matter. Then metals. Metals are also matter. Toys, soft toys, they are also matter. So children, basically whatever you see, everything is matter. Now from here one more question arises, that is, if everything is matter, then what is not matter? The next question is, what is not matter? Now we discussed so many things. Okay, there are so many things around you which are matter. Now what are the things which are not matter? Okay, which are not matter? Your thoughts, your thoughts are not matter. Okay, and time is also not matter, and there are different forces like force of gravity, it is also not matter. Okay, now children, tell me something. We understood that everything around us is matter. Now, what is everything made up of? What is everything around you made up of? We understood that everything is matter. Now we want to know what is everything made up of. Children, every single object around you is made up of tiny particles. Okay, tiny ball-like particles, and those particles are called molecules. Every object is made up of tiny particles called molecules. Okay, molecules are ball-like structures. They are small round balls. Okay, these are molecules. Molecules collectively together forms matter. Okay, so everything which is around you is made up of molecules, and these molecules, it is a molecule, and this molecule can be further divided into atoms. Okay, molecules can be further divided into atoms, and we can also say that molecules can be further broken down into tiny balls called atoms. Okay, so matter is made up of molecules, and molecules is further divided into atoms. Now, by this we can say that matter is made up of molecules, and molecules is made up of atoms. Okay, very tiny particles called atoms, when they are collected together they form molecules. When the molecules are collected together they forms matter. All right, so children, we can say that every single object around you is made up of tiny particles that look like balls. Okay, these molecules look like balls, and these molecules can be further broken down into atoms. All right, these molecules can be further broken down into atoms. Now, what we have learned in this session, we have learned what is matter. What is matter, children? Matter is something that has weight and that occupies space. Anything and everything that has weight and occupies space is called matter. For example, honey, oil, gas, plastic, book. Okay, all these things are matter. Now, if everything is matter, what is not matter? Okay, our thoughts, the forces like gravity, time, all these are not matter. And the third thing which we discussed is, what is everything around you made up of, or what is matter made up of? Children, matter is made up of tiny ball-like structures called molecules, and these molecules are further broken down into atoms. So, atoms combining together makes molecules, and molecules combining together makes matter. With this, children, I end up this session. Thank you.